Hello and namaste. In this video we are going to discuss about color silver. Now silver is a feminine color. It signifies moon. It's a cooling color and it's also a relaxing color. If you like silver, definitely you are open to more things. You are more open-minded. If you dislike silver, you are more down to earth. Now some positive traits of silver is it's a reflective color. It has reflective quality. It is a balancing color. It's a calming color. It's a relaxing color. It involves dignity. Okay, and it involves glamour. Some negative traits about silver: it can be dull, it can involve melancholia, it's lonely color, it's a little lifeless, it's a little rigid. If you lack some of the positive attributes, definitely include more silver into your schedule. Silver is great for addition for jewelry because it shows that regal nature, okay, that luxury. It tries to show it to the world, at the same time maintaining not too showboaty attitude. Okay, silver can also bring out your confidence. If you're someone who gets agitated really fast, anxious really fast, you can incorporate silver or lightish gray like I'm wearing right now into your wardrobe. As a jewelry, it works great as well. You can wear a ring or two just to show out your regal nature, just to show out that you are a luxurious person, just to show out and release the energy into the world that you value money and you care about money. These are some attributes of silver, and I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please like this video. If you're watching this in course and you like what I'm creating, definitely give my course a 5-star rating. That's all for this video. Namaste.